everyone, and welcome back to Purely Interesting. Have you ever wondered how a record looks close up? Or the close-up comparison of different types? That's what we're going to find out today. So let's have a look at what we're actually going to zoom into, shall we? Let's go. So obviously we're going to need records today. We're going to use one vinyl LP, one vinyl 45 single, and as a bonus, a shellac single. Also, in order to see the close-up, we will need one of these zoom-in cameras, and we're going to trace it around the record carefully, trying not to scratch it as shown in the video. Now let's look at each individual record. The LP we're going to use today is named Oklahoma. Well, nothing special, 12 inches, vinyl. Time for the 45 single. It plays at 45 RPM with the small center hole. Now for the shellac. It's not 10 inches, it's 12, but it's made of shellac nonetheless. I think I've done enough talking for now. Let's zoom into the LP. Wow, it looks like a complete alien landscape, and sorry for the low resolution. Let's pause it here for a moment. We can see the squiggly structure of the groove and the center line of the circle I've drawn where the needle should go. It looks extraordinary, don't you think? Let's dive into the 45 RPM single. Yeah, I would say it looks pretty similar to the LP, similar groove structure, width, etc. Time for the most interesting part in my opinion, the shellac record. This instantly looks so different to the other two. These grooves are enormous like train tracks, and wider but also squiggly. No wonder we need those special styluses to play 78s. Best for last, I guess. Let's look into the comparison. As I've said before, the LP and the 45 RPM single looks quite similar despite some lighting differences, while the shellac record looks completely different, the odd one out. Pretty interesting, I would say. Which one do you find the most fascinating? Tell me in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and like for more videos like this.